friends, welcome to day 2. Considering we spent all of day 1 converting from larger metric units to smaller metric units, my guess is that we're going to be doing bubble or bullet point number 2 today, going from smaller to larger. In which case, if we spent all our time yesterday multiplying by 100 and 1,000, then today we're going to spend all our time dividing by 100 and 1,000. So we're just moving the decimal the other direction, 2 or 3 places. You got all that? All right, good. I believe in you, as always. Centimeters to meters, what you're going to do is divide by 100. Pause it, read it, and get ready to move on. Okay, good. Opposite of what we did yesterday. Oh my gosh, today is totally opposite day. Yay. All right. Oh, my pen still doesn't work. I haven't sorted that issue out. 7 divided by 100 is going to be 700ths of a meter, and 16 8/10 divided by 100 is going to be, we're moving our decimal 2 places, 0 and 608 thousandths of a meter. Okay, good. Yeah, you can go ahead and do this. I'm sure it'll be great. Especially, yeah, do this if you want to. Go, have fun. Wait, hang on a second. You get out of the way there, fella. 30, oh my gosh. Nobody has a 30 centimeter ruler. Everybody's got a 12-inch ruler, which is roughly like 30-something centimeters. So just get a regular ruler if you're going to do this. Okay, carry on. See you later. Okay, 33 meters. Okay, once again, expressed as a decimal, 33 meters and 80 centimeters in meters. Okay, yeah. So you're going to take the 80 centimeters divided by 100 to get 8/10 of a meter, and you're going to get 33 and 8/10 of a meter, which is honestly in any real-life situation is how this would be reported. Well, no, I take that back. If you measured something and you get 33 meters, 80 centimeters, you might have to do the math to convert that. So, all right, I can live with this. Alrighty, let's convert to meters, and we are dividing by 100. 6 divided by 100 is 600ths of a meter. So you got 14 meters plus 1600ths of a meter is 14 and 600ths of a meter. 40 divided by 100 is going to be 4/10 of a meter. So we have 105 and 4/10. And your answer is going to be 105 and 4/10 of a meter. Beautiful. I feel like I could be explaining these more, but you can pause and read and just do that too. Plus, this is 6th grade standard, so let's not get bogged down in the weeds here. All right. Okay, so now we're doing meters to kilometers, which means we're multiplying by 1,000. That's what all these words on the screen say, but you can pause and read it if you like. Go over here. Hey, look at me. This is what I'm saying. All right, good deal. Let's move on. 750 milliliters equals 75 hundredths of a liter. Okay? Divide by 1,000. All right, here's a whole bunch of problems where you're going to move your decimal 3 places. You think you can handle it? Oh, hopefully you can handle it better than I can handle my mouse right here. Okay, good. Let's just go. I know I'm doing 1,000 because I'm going meters to kilometers. No. Train wreck. Hey, they got their. Okay, good. 1,000. 1,000. I wish my pen worked. Hey. Here you go. You should be doing this faster than me anyway. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's right. Sure do hope I'm getting all of these right. Okay, yeah, I cheated. I don't care. Do we agree? I bet we do. Okay, I'll tell you right now, we got a couple slides with words and a couple slides with a bunch of writing on them, but that's okay. Let's do it. Okay, we're doing the mixed units. Instead of the mixed units times 100, we're doing the mixed part of the unit times divided by 1,000. Not times, divided by 1,000. Pause and read this while I check my baby monitor. Cutie patoots. All right, you got all that. You're doing the smaller the grams or the meters part divided by 1,000. You're doing the grams part divided by 1,000. Okay, excellent. Oh, in milliliters, there's 1,000 milliliters in a liter. Same thing. You're doing milliliter part divided by 1,000 to make the conversion. Okay. So, okay. 2 kilometers, 8 meters. Again, I don't know. Okay. You're going to do 8 divided by 1,000. You're going to get 8 thousandths of a kilometer. So you're doing 2 plus 8 thousandths, and you're going to get, boom. Excellent. 275 kilometers and 700 meters divided by 1,000. Thankfully, that's just 0 and 7 tenths. You're doing 275 plus 7 and 275. Boom. Right. So 25 kilograms, 460 grams. You're doing the 460 divided by 1,000 to get 46 hundredths of a kilogram. So then you're adding the 25 kilograms plus the 46 hundredths. You're getting 25.46 hundredths of a kilogram. This 5 grams is 5 divided by 1,000 to get kilograms, or 5 thousandths of a kilogram. 9 kilograms plus 5 thousandths of a kilogram is. All right. Speaking of babies, every time I go to the doctor to get my kids like checked up for their like 3 or 4 year regular appointments, they always weigh them in kilograms, and I got to do the conversion. That's if we just use kilograms in the first place, I would know what it meant when the kid weighs 14 and 34 hundredths of a kilogram. I don't know what that is in pounds. Do you? All right, moving on. Same idea. We're just using milliliters. Okay. Oops, I did that totally wrong. Yep, that's right. 60 plus 7 hundredths of a liter is 60 and 7 hundredths of a liter. Oh, McCarthy, always in the way. Come on. All right, boom. 650 divided by 1,000 equals 65 hundredths of a liter. Then you're doing the 85 liters and 65 hundredths of a liter, and you're getting 85 and 65. Oh. Teacher's manual says I'm doing great. No, they are not dropping real world problems on us at this stage of the lesson, are they? That is just uncool on their part. But thankfully, it's only one of them that we get to the practice pages. Pause. Sorry, I accidentally paused. You pause this and read. There, that's what I meant to do. This is unnecessarily complicated, isn't it? I'm not even going to bother to explain it. Just pause and reread it. You gotta do that divided by 9, and then that times 3,000. Unnecessary. See, that doesn't feel very real world. What if I've got 9 bricks? Why wouldn't I just measure the 1 brick instead of measuring 9 and dividing? Right? Seriously. Okay, this one is a little bit better. He goes 13 meters and 20 paces. If you do so to get 1 pace, you're going to do 13 divided by 20, and you're going to get 65 hundredths of a meter. Then you need to do 8,000. You need to do 8,000 times 0.65 hundredths. I don't like the way they're doing this. And then when you do all the math, oh, see here. So what they're trying to tell you here is to do 1,000 times 8, but they don't tell you that they want that times and then you go through and then you're going to do the 1,000 and they want you to do the 8 times 65 hundredths separately, which is, again, I don't know why they're setting it up this way and they don't really explain what they want. Okay, then the that part, wait. Oh, for crying out loud. Okay, so then that's going to give you 5,200 meters. Then they want you to take the 5,200 and then divide it by 1,000 to get 5 2/10 of a kilometer. Boy, reread all of this again. It's just like unnecessarily, I don't know. Yeah, aggravating. I would do. Man. I would do this differently. I would totally do this. Can I explain this? I would do this differently. I would do, I'll show you what I do. I would do 8,000 divided by 20. 8,000 paces divided by 20 paces. Okay, if I did 8,000 divided by 20, what you're going to get is 400. 400 what? 413 meter sections. Does that make sense? 8,000 divided by 20 is 413 meter sections. So then I'm just doing 400 times 13. 4 times 13 is 52. And then divide by 1,000. You get 5 2/10 of a kilometer. I am smarter than Math and Focus because my way is better. Yes, there are multiple ways to solve a problem. Some are better than others. Mine's better. Mine's better. Go watch that last 30 seconds. Listen to me explain it again. But there you go. They did all this complicated stuff, and all I did was, the hardest thing I did was 4 times 13. All right. Practice, practice, practice. Okay, you can do all of this. Oh, wait. Boom. Convert meters to centimeters, multiply by 100. Centimeters to meters, divide by 100. Meters to kilometers, divide by 1,000. Wait, meters to meters to kilometers. Yeah, divide by 1,000. Kilograms to grams, multiply by 1,000. Milliliters to liters, divide by 1,000. Blah. So they're just asking you to kind of figure all this stuff, learn all this stuff. Okay. Meters to centimeters is shown. No, she should have multiplied. Gary does kilograms to grams as shown. He should have multiplied by 1,000. There, I explained the errors. Naughty children. Okay. 5 seconds, I'll throw the answers up. 4, 3, 2, 1. That means you're supposed to pause. Boy, I'm running out of time, but I assume this is meters, centimeters, meters. Just pretend the units are on there. The way it's written, I kind of feel like that was enough. Oh, man drinks 6 cups of coffee each day. That sounds like this man. Each cup contains 275 milliliters of coffee. How many liters does he drink in a week? Okay, multiply 6 times that. 6 times 275. And you are going to get 1155. Wait. 1,155. Oh, for crying out loud. No, you're not. I'm reading the book and I'm cheating. Okay. Is it still going? Okay. So you can do 6 times 275. 6 times 275. Let me think on this for a second. I wish my pen worked. All right, that took me longer than it should have. 6 cups times 275 milliliters, 1650 milliliters a day. Times 7 is 11,550 milliliters a week. Divided by 1,000 is 11 and 55 hundredths of a liter per week. This one here, you're just doing 30 times 60 to get 5 liters in a minute. Wow, that's impressive, actually. And then multiply that by 1,000, you get 5,000 milliliters per minute. That's pretty impressive. All right, it's a good little pump. All right. Pause me. I'm just gonna look the answer up to this one. I'm getting tired, and I'm overtime by a lot. Hoy McCarthy. 7 bags of 500-gram flour and 5 bags of 300-gram flour. Boom. There you go. Go do your homework. Go do your problem of the lesson and all that jazz. Bye, friends.